All right, good morning everyone. Today I want to go over how to change a reverse bulb. That's this bulb here on a Subaru Impreza. We're gonna pop this open, and I popped this out first to show you. So we have our hatch. There's the other side. You can see what it looks like installed on the car. But one of the things, taking this guy off, so it has these hinges. So you start from, there's a little relief on this side. So start from the outside of the car. And pry open, but these hooks are pretty firm, so if you pop one, you may want to push with a screwdriver on the other ones to pop this out, and then once this pops, you pull this way. Don't try to just pull down, pull this way and out, and it'll come off. So I got that part off, and as we come under here, we see this guy. This guy we turn clockwise from this perspective. So, and you can see, boom, and then this comes out. And then I'm not going to touch the bulb. You never want to touch the bulb with your bare hands, the new bulb, because it will cause it to break faster. But this bulb just pulls out with the hand. Pulls out, you push the new one in using a rubber glove or a paper towel. Push the new bulb in. Then we're going to clock this in the right spot, twist it down till it clicks, grab our cap here, orient it correctly so these hooks go on this edge into very specific little notches, and it pops in. And that's how you do a reverse bulb on a Subaru Impreza. This is a 2019, but I think these are all the same from 2016 to 2020. And that's how you do the reverse bulb. If this was helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.